Coffee is the best way to start off a day. Some like it hot, others add cream, and the rest of us just enjoy coffee. Alcohol, on the other hand, is pretty popular too, with the only difference being its harmful effect to health. These two are also related in the way they affect each other. Given that alcohol is bad for the health, scientists have revealed a new way of dealing with its negative potential. Unfortunately, alcohol is enjoyed more than it should be, and this habit has turned the world upside down. Excessive consumption of alcohol leads to many diseases, including liver cirrhosis. And here is some great news for both coffee and booze lovers. According to a study conducted in the UK, alcohol-induced liver damage can be reversed with 2 cups of coffee per day. The connection between coffee and healthy liver. According to the aforementioned study, which involved the results from 10 minor studies with over 430,000 participants, 2 cups of coffee daily can cause a significant drop of 44% in the risk of liver cirrhosis. This is more than amazing for those who really love their coffee. Liver cirrhosis causes millions of deaths every year. It is commonly caused by excessive consumption of alcohol, followed by other factors like fatty liver. It is often associated with diabetes and obesity, immunity-related problems, hepatitis. Liver cirrhosis is considered as a especially dangerous condition because it is often fatal. Moreover, there is still no cure for it. However, Dr. Oliver Kennedy, professor at the Southampton University, and lead author of this study, says that coffee has an essential role in the prevention against cirrhosis. You can buy it everywhere, it is cheap, and most people have no trouble drinking it. Such a nice way to prevent cirrhosis and the coffee study. The team of scientists examined the effects of coffee in 2,000 patients diagnosed with cirrhosis. The participants were divided in groups, and each showed different results. 1 cup of coffee decreases the risk of cirrhosis by 22%. 2 cups of coffee lowers the risk by 43%. 3 cups of coffee every day provide a 57% lower risk of cirrhosis. And finally, by drinking 4 cups of coffee every day, can decrease the risk of cirrhosis by 65%. The results were compared to people who do not like coffee. Even though the coffee therapy gives great results, there are still some things you should take into consideration, such as origin of the beans, brewing technique, lifestyle habits. Another study has showed that filtered coffee has greater power than boiled coffee when it comes to treating or preventing cirrhosis. However, this sure requires further examination and clinical trials. The findings were published in the journal Alimentary Pharmacology and Therapeutics. A separate analysis recently warned against the amount of sugar found in popular beverages such as lattes, coffees, and hot chocolates in cafes and fast food chains. 1/3 of these drinks, the authors discovered, had sugar levels higher than those of known soda products.